Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to PELS Academy. I'm your host, and today I'm going to share something truly powerful with you. It's a simple 10-minute daily practice. Yes, just 10 minutes. And believe me, this can completely transform your English fluency. If you do this every single day, your speaking will become smoother, your words will flow naturally, and you'll feel confident every time you speak. I know it sounds simple, but it's not just simple, it's effective. It's powerful. This is the same method many language learners use to go from, I understand, but I can't speak, to, I speak easily and naturally. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Why just 10 minutes work? First, let's talk about why just 10 minutes can change your English. When most people think about improving their language, they imagine long lessons, big textbooks, difficult grammar exercises. But the truth is, your brain learns language through small, regular contact, not long, rare study sessions. Your brain needs daily contact with English. Even 10 minutes a day can be more powerful than one long class per week. Why? Your brain stays in English mode. It connects words faster. It remembers phrases more easily. It builds confidence naturally. 10 minutes may feel small, but in 1 month, that's 300 minutes. 5 hours of real practice. The goal of this practice. Many learners focus only on knowing English, grammar, vocabulary, exams. But fluency is not about knowing, it's about doing. So the goal of this routine is simple. Make English feel natural. Make speaking automatic. Stop translating in your head. Start thinking in English. And the best part? You don't need a teacher, a classroom, expensive courses. You can do this anywhere. At home, in a park, in your kitchen, even on a bus. The 10-minute routine, 5 steps. I'll break the 10 minutes into 5 simple steps. You can follow them in order or mix them, but the key is do them every day. Step 1, listening. 2 minutes. Find something simple in English, a podcast, a YouTube video, a short dialogue. Choose something you understand at least 80%. Don't worry about every word. Just listen. Focus on rhythm tone, how words connect. This trains your ear and prepares your brain for speaking. Pro tip: use the same audio every day for 1 week. Repetition builds fluency faster. Step 2, speak out loud. 2 minutes. Now it's time to speak. Even if you're alone, take a few phrases and say them out loud. Copy, pronunciation, speed melody. It may feel strange at first, but this is how your mouth learns. Speaking is a physical skill, like riding a bike. Pro tip: don't worry about mistakes. Fluency comes from repetition, not perfection. Step 3, personalize. 2 minutes. Now make it about you. Change the sentences to fit your life. Example: I usually wake up early. I usually wake up at 7. I don't wake up early on weekends. This step turns knowledge into real ability. Step 4, free speaking. 2 minutes. Speak freely. No reading, no copying. Talk about your day. What you see, your plans. Speak continuously for 2 minutes. It may be slow at first, and that's okay. The goal is not speed. The goal is flow. Step 5, reflect. 2 minutes. Finally, reflect. Ask yourself, what felt easy? What was difficult? What mistakes did I notice? You don't need to write, just think. Then repeat tomorrow, and the next day, and the next. Does 10 minutes really work? Yes, and here's why. Repetition builds confidence. Consistency builds memory. Daily speaking builds fluency. Personalization builds connection. The secret is not what you do, it's how often you do it. Common mistakes to avoid: mistake 1, skipping days. Solution: even 5 minutes is better than nothing. Mistake 2, wanting perfection. Solution: focus on progress, not perfection. Mistake 3, practicing without emotion. Solution: talk about what you love, make it personal. Final message. So my friends, now you know the secret. It's not a magic app, a grammar rule, a perfect textbook. It's just 10 minutes a day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect.
1 week, you'll feel the difference. 1 month, others will notice 6 months. Your fluency will explode. Remember, language is not learned in a classroom. It's built in small daily moments. So start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and begin. Outro. Thank you so much for listening to PELS Academy. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.